Welcome to this video. In this video, you study about structure of carbonyl group. This is the structure of carbonyl group. The carbonyl group, like carbon-carbon double bond of alkene, is composed of one sigma bond and one pi bond. Both carbon and oxygen they undergoes sp2 hybridization. So all the atoms or groups attached to the carbonyl carbon and oxygen, they are in the same plane. The angle between any two atoms or groups, it is about the 120 degree, while the bond angle between the carbon and oxygen, it is about 1.24 Einstein unit. This is the molecular hybrid picture of carbonyl group. Both carbon and oxygen are sp2 hybridized. 3 sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon it is obtained by mixing and recasting of 1s and 2p orbital of carbon. There is the formation of 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. In case of the oxygen, 1s and 2p orbital of oxygen undergo mixing and recasting, and there is the formation of 3 sp2 hybrid orbital. The carbon oxygen sigma bond it is obtained by axial overlap of one of the sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon with the one of the sp2 hybrid orbital of the oxygen. There is the formation of the sigma bond. While the pi bond it is obtained by lateral overlap of unhybridized p orbital of carbon with the unhybridized p orbital of the oxygen. There is the formation of the pi bond. Okay. In oxygen, remaining two sp2 hybrid orbital, it containing the lone pair of the electron. While in case of the carbon, the remaining two sp2 hybrid orbital makes the sigma bond. In case of the formaldehyde, it makes the sigma bond with the two hydrogen atom. In case of the ketone, it makes the sigma bond with the carbon. In case of the aldehyde, other than the formaldehyde, it makes the sigma bond with the one carbon and one hydrogen atom. This is the molecular orbital picture of carbonyl group. Okay, this sp2 hybrid orbital it having the planar trigonal geometry. That's why all the atoms attached to the carbon and carbon oxygen sigma bond they are in the single plane. It having the bond angle 120 degree. The electron of pi bond of the carbonyl group they are not equally shared. In fact, they are pulled towards the more electronegative oxygen atom. As a result, the bond is the polarized, with oxygen atom being slightly negative charge while the carbon atom it acquires the slightly positive charge. Okay, that's why the dipole moment value for carbonyl group it is about the 2.7 dB. So this bond it having 40 to 50% of the ionic character. Thank you.